guys, this is DK back again with the car. I wanted to let you guys know we are back here in Kentucky, but on my way back from Florida picking up the car, I stopped by Steeda Autosports in Valdosta, Georgia. Did a tour of the plant, and I think you guys are gonna like this video. Stay tuned to the end, there's some surprises there.
Parts that we offer. Now you got the warehouse. Walking in here, this is our shipping department. We got all the exhaust up on that wall. We got body parts up on this wall. Sorry. All our springs. So we've got pretty good with keeping it kind of organized and all the sway bars and different parts like that. So anytime somebody's ordering from Steeda, and if it's a Steeda part or if it's shipping direct from us, it is being done right here. And that's actually where I started. This guy started in the shipping department. All these rags, all this stuff is ready to go. FedEx, yes.
So what's the difference between ordering like this location and then your location?
So Pompano is more just shop work now. All the shipping, all the manufacturing takes place right here. We build the sway bars here, build jack and rails, we do powder coating here, we got our CNC shop. So this has become our primary location when it comes to materials and stuff like that. Pompano, that's our administration stuff is going on down there. We've got a sales rep down there as well. But they've turned into mostly shop work. They get a lot of walk-ins being down in the South Fork area. And so that's the biggest thing, whereas here, yeah, we're doing all the manufacturing. So with this one, it's a customer's car. They had it shipped direct to us. We got the blower on it, all the suspension on it. He's got the Belgian wheels on there as well. Whipple painted it orange. That's a brand new car. The owner, Fox body of his, that we still use to kind of check up on some new parts. We just redid some lower control arms for those. And we had the 05 that was like a test vehicle, SEMA build back when those were being released. And of course, we got our silver bullet.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We all know about
Very
that.
familiar with that car. Just see if we can get some traction on this.
Trying to make some room for some of the new ones. Because yeah, he didn't need the dual rates on it, just daily. I've been working with this guy. I think we did his initial order back in December, and so I finally got him. He finally had some time to come up and out. This thing's going like non-stop all day long.
Yep.
I think we got 4 different machines back here, and then we recycle all the stuff we can't use.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's DK back here. I just had a tour of the plant with Chris and Philip, and I tell you what, this top-notch quality here. Love the operation you guys have going on here. They got another shop down in Pompano Beach, Florida, yep. But everything kind of comes out of here. When you guys order off the website, things get manufactured here. They come out of this shop. It's a great thing. So thanks for giving me a tour, man. I really appreciate it. Yep. So Chris and I talked about the car. This is going to be kind of a Steeda build on my own part. Steeda's going to be here helping me out and helping me with the parts, so I'm looking forward to that membership there. So really appreciate you having me out. So
thank you so much for coming, man.
So,
happy to have you.
Yep.
Atlas Blue looks absolutely awesome in person, so make sure you go out and check it out. I mean, man, it's just an awesome build. Man.
Yeah, I can't wait to get started. Whenever I get it done, I'll bring it back down and I'll show it to you in person, and we'll get another shot in front of the building.
Heck
Okay?
yeah, man, definitely.
Cool. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, because Chris and I got some plans for this car, and it's going to be awesome. So thanks for watching.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Now what we're going to do is pull the car out and get some before measurements before we put it up on jack stands for a few weeks to get all the mods done. It's cold here. It's going to take a little bit. I'm not going to do it all in one day, but I'm going to shoot some video as well. So let's get it out of the garage, get it on level ground, get some before measurements. All right, with the car completely stock like it is, we're gonna measure the wheel gap and some of the height of things. You could see the wheel gap there. So let's measure a couple of spots. We're gonna measure back here. It looks like to that line, that body line is exactly 16 inches right there. Let's measure the front as well. That body line there is roughly 9 3/4 inches. So you can see the wheel gap. We're gonna take care of that with some Steeda parts and pieces. So let's get it going. So what is it that I'm gonna use to lower this car to where it needs to be and get the right stance? Well, of course I'll be using Steeda products, right? Well, here it is. The parts and pieces that I ordered prior to even signing on the dotted line for the Mustang. This is the Steeda Pro Action non-adjustable struts and shocks, as well as the Sport non-Magna-Ride springs, drop springs. Got your caster camber plates and your roll center kit for the front. And these parts and pieces are what I'm gonna use to make sure that I get the right stance out of my car. So let's get the car pulled back in the garage, get it up on jack stands, and get started. All right, here we go. So I'm not gonna do a walkthrough on the install of the rear or the fronts. There's just a lot of how-to videos online, but I'm gonna get started on the passenger side. As you can see over here, I've already done the driver's side. So there's the springs and the struts put into place right there. And we're gonna do the other side now. All right, the rear is done, both sides. So now I'm gonna move on to the front. You see the fronts are still stock. But I'm gonna take off this cover, this engine cover, this spaceship here. I gotta take off the strut tower bar anyway, so I'm gonna take that off. Remove this and get that looking a little better in there and actually see an engine. So, but then I'll start on the suspension. So I think that's it for today. I'll pick this back up tomorrow and we'll finish off. And that's done. If you guys don't know what I'm showing here, this is the airbox lid for the 2022 GT. And I do have the honeycomb in there still, but I'm gonna leave that. But I took out the carbon catch, this extra filter that's in there that goes on the top of the filter box. It's just more filter airflow restriction. So I popped it out and I'm gonna be replacing that filter right there with a K&N filter for now, just to drop in and roll like that for a little while. So, and yes, I got the spaceship off.